the United States promises the potential sale of 25 F-35 stealth fighter jets and related equipment to South Korea at an estimated price of $5.06 billion, more than IDR 77.7 trillion. The South Korean Air Force currently operates 40 F-35s at the 17th Fighter Wing in Cheongju, North Chungcheong. The Defense Security Cooperation Agency under the U.S. Department of Defense announced the agreement in a statement. Potential sales of foreign military equipment will enhance South Korea's ability to confront current and future threats by providing credible defense capabilities to deter aggression in the region and ensure interoperability with U.S. forces. The potential sales agreement includes 25 F-35A fighter jets, 26 F-135 engines used on F-35 aircraft, and other logistical and technical assistance including electronic warfare reprogramming support, classified software delivery and equipment maintenance. Korea already has F-35s in its inventory and will have no difficulty absorbing those goods and services into its armed forces. South Korea has been seeking to bring in a number of new fifth-generation fighter jets to replace its outdated F-4 and F-5 jets to strengthen its so-called strike system. The South Korean Air Force begins operating F-35 fighter jets. The U.S. Security Program Agency added that the proposed sale would not change the military balance in the region. South Korea's Defense Projects Promotion Committee in March approved a plan to spend $3.75 trillion ($2.82 billion) on F-35 jets through 2028.